May profits be upon you. I'm going to do an update video on the US dollar JPY trade that I put on. I posted, the video analysis for this past weekend, and I'm doing a Tuesday update. I thought it was necessary, and we could see what lies ahead for the rest of the week. Right now, this is where I left you. This candle is from Friday. All right, the Friday close. Okay, and this was the last 4-hour candle on Friday. And what I mentioned in the video was that I was looking for longs, and that this also presented my standard setup. I was looking for the possibility that price would go down, but if you review the video analysis, I said I'm looking for buys because the market is bullish, period. The higher time frame just shows bullishness in this market, and I was going to, I would look for shorts only in a case where I would see some show enough rejection from here, and but I said I was looking for longs, and I said if price continues up past the EQ of this the zone of supply, I would look for a break and a close above this protected high. And if I got that, I know that price is going up. I would just wait for the pullback for a high probability trade to the upside. Do you remember this? Do I need to give you a reminder? I have it ready. You see where it's queued up, right? 12:43. All right. That's what I said. Okay. Now, what has transpired since then? Bam! Here we are. Okay. So what do we do now? We've broken past supply. When you break supply, that tells you you're okay to take longs. You wait for the pullback, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to wait for price to pull back here. All right, and take advantage, because we're looking at a flip supply to demand flip zone. All right, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to move that, get rid of that. Right, I'm going to mark the supply, right? I'm going to mark that supply where it was actually violated, right? And now I'm going to mark the demand. Let's go right here, right? And I'm waiting for price to come down to this area. Now, you see the selling before the buying starts? I like that. I like to take that line up here. I like to take this line. And I got to tell you, I'm also looking for when price passes. Hold on, I got it wrong. When price passes this line, right? Because you can see this was the line that stopped. That price closed at, opened. Resistance, resistance, resistance. We break through. I'm looking for price to come back and test this. It may wick down into the zone from here. If this is where the gap starts, the fair value gap or imbalance. So I'm looking for that to get filled as well, right? Remember, I called this now. So, these little wicks and everything, those things are actual structure on lower time frames. So I'm looking for price to come do a little something like this here. If I start seeing bullish price action around here, you know what to do. You know what to do. Don't wait on my signal. Get in and look for longs. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. I will see you in the next video. Smash that like button. All right. Subscribe. Hit the bell notification of the bell icon for notifications for my updates like this one, and leave a comment and tell me, why isn't Aussie, excuse me, why isn't US dollar yen more on your radar? And you know, if this one, if you would have took the trade, if you would have took a long from this the zone, you know, just straight up, if you would have got in somewhere around here, which I would have considered a little aggressive, but this is the breakout. If you're a breakout trader, you are in plenty of profit. I'm wondering why more people aren't looking at it. I meant to make this the demand color. All right, so this is where I'm looking at. This is what I'm looking at. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.